What if I told you the construction workers of the future aren't human? Right now, armies of robots are taking over construction sites worldwide, laying bricks with superhuman precision, 3D printing entire houses in days, and performing dangerous jobs no human should risk. From Germany's robotic masons to China's humanoid builders, these machines are constructing our future at breakneck speed. Stick around, because what you're about to see will completely change how you imagine buildings get made. Picture this: construction sites where tireless machines work around the clock, walls rise at unbelievable speeds, and humanoid robots handle tasks too dangerous or precise for human hands. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, all across the globe. From Germany's engineering marvels to China's cutting-edge humanoids, the construction industry is undergoing its biggest transformation in centuries. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the most advanced construction robots that are reshaping our world brick by brick, beam by beam. Let's dive in. KUKA. In Germany, where engineering excellence is a tradition, KUKA has built something extraordinary. A robotic bricklayer so precise, so fast, it could make human masons obsolete. This isn't just a machine. It's an AI-powered construction artist. With a high-precision robotic arm and advanced sensors, it scans each brick, calculates the perfect placement, and builds walls at a pace no human crew could match. And the best part? It never gets tired. No coffee breaks, no sick days, just flawless, uninterrupted construction. Imagine entire neighborhoods built in weeks instead of months. That's the power of KUKA's robotic revolution. Kepler Forerunner K2. But what if robots could do more than just lay bricks? What if they could walk, bend, lift, and work alongside humans like a true teammate? That's exactly what China's Shanghai Kepler Robotics has created with the Forerunner K2, a humanoid robot that's as versatile as it is strong. Standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, this machine moves with eerie human-like grace, thanks to its 52 degrees of freedom. Its arms, equipped with advanced actuators, can lift 15 kilograms each, making it perfect for everything from factory assembly to logistics and even space exploration. And with an 8-hour battery life and self-charging capability, the K2 is ready to work longer shifts than any human. Priced at just $30,000, it's not just a marvel of engineering. It's a glimpse into a future where humanoid robots are as common as construction cranes. Teletech Electronics. Now imagine a factory where robotic arms work in perfect harmony, where every weld, every screw, every assembly is handled with machine precision. That's the vision of Teletech Electronic, a factory where humans supervise, but robots do the heavy lifting. These machines don't just replace human labor, they surpass it. They work without fatigue, handle dangerous tasks with ease, and eliminate costly human errors. The result? Faster production, higher quality, and a new industrial era where robots and humans collaborate to build the future. Automate Exhibition. In Detroit, the heart of American industry, engineers from around the world gathered at the Automate Exhibition to showcase the next generation of construction and industrial robots. Walking through the event was like stepping into the future. Robotic arms assembling cars, cobots, collaborative robots, working side by side with humans, and AI-powered systems optimizing entire production lines. The message was clear. Automation isn't coming. It's already here. Construction Robotics, USA, Sam and Newell. Among the stars of the show were two robots changing construction forever, Sam and Newell. Sam, the semi-automated mason, is a bricklaying beast. With a robotic arm, conveyor belt, and laser-guided precision, it can lay 2,000 to 3,000 bricks a day, a task that would take a human crew weeks. Meanwhile, Newell, the heavy lifter, can carry 61 kilograms loads with ease, doubling or even tripling productivity on-site. Together, they're proving that robots aren't just helpers, they're the future of construction. Dafeng ALS DF062. Back in China, another revolution is unfolding, this time in wall finishing. The DF062, developed by Dafeng AI, is an AI-powered plastering robot that scans walls, plans the perfect application route, and spreads plaster with flawless consistency. No more uneven surfaces, no more tired workers, just perfect walls every time. And because it works non-stop, projects finish faster, safer, and with higher quality than ever before. Icon's 3D printed homes. But what if we could print entire houses like documents? That's the bold idea behind Icon's Vulcan Construction 3D printer. This massive machine squirts out layers of concrete, building 185 square meter homes in just days. No traditional framing, no slow bricklaying, just a printer humming away as walls rise from the ground. It's fast, it's affordable, and it could solve housing crises around the world. Imagine a future where entire neighborhoods are printed in weeks. That future is closer than you think. Boston Dynamics Handle. And then there's Handle Boston Dynamics two-wheeled, two-legged robot that defies physics. Watching Handle move is like watching a ballet dancer. If that dancer could carry 45 kilograms, jump 1.2 meters, and navigate stairs with ease, it's a logistics dream machine, capable of moving heavy loads in tight spaces where forklifts can't go. With its uncanny balance and agility, Handle proves that robots aren't just strong, they're graceful too. What's next? From robotic masons to humanoid laborers, from 3D printed homes to self-plastering walls, the construction industry is evolving at lightning speed. These machines aren't just replacing human workers, they're enhancing our capabilities, taking on dangerous jobs, and building a future where projects finish faster, cheaper, and better than ever before. The question isn't if robots will change construction, it's how soon. In today's rapidly advancing world, automation is no longer a luxury, it's becoming a necessity. With global labor shortages, increasing safety regulations, and the need for sustainable development, robotics and AI offer solutions that human hands alone can't match. Imagine drones surveying job sites in real time, AI systems predicting material needs with pinpoint accuracy, and robotic arms laying bricks with zero error margins, all while reducing waste and carbon footprints. The integration of smart systems means buildings could soon self-diagnose structural issues or adapt to climate conditions autonomously. Modular robots may construct homes in remote or disaster-hit areas where human labor is limited. And with machine learning, each project teaches the next one to be smarter, faster, and more efficient. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. The future of construction is not only automated, it's intelligent, adaptive, and revolutionary. So, what do you think? Which of these robots impressed you the most? Could you imagine working alongside humanoid builders like the Forerunner K2? Or would you trust a 3D printer to build your dream home? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of construction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next tech deep dive. From robotics to AI, the future of building is evolving faster than ever. What once took months might soon be done in days, by machines. The question is, are we ready to live in homes built by intelligent systems? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.